Thanks to Teen Entrepreneur, starting your own business has never been so easy. Simply sign up for our online academy by visiting teenentrepreneur.co.za. Once you've registered, you can take a quick test to see how entrepreneurial you already are. After that, it's time to begin by completing our free Idea Generation Workshop, which will get you started on creating your first great business idea. Armed with this new idea, you are now ready to start on your first module and begin building your business. To make it even better, you'll get rewarded with points as you progress through the modules. These points can be redeemed with our various partners and in our online shop. There is no limit to the number of businesses you can start, and you are free to take this journey with friends, your school entrepreneur society, or by yourself. Remember, big ideas start young. So get going today by visiting teenentrepreneur.co.za.